Next problem. A man can row 6 km per hour in still water. So x is given, still water, speed of still water, boat in still water, that is 6 km per hour. If the speed of the current is 2 km per hour, okay, the speed of the current is 2 km per hour. It takes 3 hours more in upstream than in downstream. Okay, that is 3 hours more it is taking to go upstream than in downstream for the same distance. Distance is same. Okay, so the distance is how much? Okay, so distance is how much they are asking. Now they are saying the time taken to go downstream and the time taken to go upstream. Okay, the difference between that time is how much? It is 3 hours, because see here they are saying 3 hours more it will take to go upstream than in downstream. Now for example, if downstream, if he is going in 5 hours, then in upstream he is taking 3 hours more, isn't it? He will take how much? 8 hours, isn't it? So the difference between this is how much? Time taken to go downstream and time taken to go upstream is how much? The difference in both the times is 3 hours, isn't it? So that is what I am doing here. So time taken to go downstream and time taken to go upstream is how much? 3 hours. Okay, the difference in that is 3 hours. So what is the distance they are asking? So from the data we know that time taken to go downstream and the difference between the time taken to go downstream and time taken to go upstream is 3 hours. So time is nothing but distance upon speed, isn't it? So distance we don't know, so let it be d, distance divided by speed. Speed downstream is how much? Downstream speed is, we don't know, it is x plus y, isn't it? So x is how much? 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8 km per hour. Okay, so this is downstream speed, which is equal to 8 km, and upstream speed distance we don't know, d divided by upstream speed is x minus y. So x is again 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4 km per hour. Okay, so it is 4, which is equal to 3. Okay, now instead of solving this, okay, again we can directly take options method, or we can solve the equation also. Since it is very small, you can solve the equations also, both will try. Okay, so 8 and 4 LCM is how much? 8. So it will be d minus 2d, which is equal to 3. So it is d is equal to 24. Okay, so d is equal to 24 kilometer we got. So neglect the negative sign here, because we are just considered with the difference. Okay, so d is equal to 24 kilometer. So this also we can do, or with the options method also. So let us check with option 1. Okay, option 1 is 30 kilometer. So if I had taken 30 by 8 and 30 by 4 is equal to 3, will it give you correct answer? No, because solving 30 by 8 and 30 by 4 is not as good. Okay, so we'll see with 24 kilometer, second option, option number 2, which is 24 kilometer. So it would be 24 by 8 minus 24 by 4, which is equal to 3. So 24 by 8 is 3 minus 6, which is equal to 3. Yes, it would be 3 is equal to 3, isn't it? So it would be correct. So second option would be correct. Either solve like this or like this. Next problem. A man swimming in a stream which flows 1.5 km per hour. Okay, this is nothing but speed of the stream, which is 1.5 km per hour, which is equal to 3 by 2 kilometer per hour. Okay, find that in a given time, means time is constant, he can swim twice as far with the stream as he can against it. Okay, means if he can go downstream, like if he, when time is constant, okay, he can swim downstream twice. Okay, downstream twice he can swim as he can go against it. Okay, against it, if he is taking against the stream, upstream if he is taking, if he is able to swim 1 kilometer, so downstream he is able to swim in that same time, he is able to swim 2 kilometer. So from this we can say downstream to upstream, okay, distance, what I can establish the ratio. If upstream he can go 1 kilometer, downstream he can go twice that, means 2 kilometer, isn't it? So 2:1 is the distance ratio. Now we know that in a given time, means what, time is constant. So when time is constant, speed is directly proportional to distance. So if this is the distance ratio, the speed ratio also will be 2:1, isn't it? So I can take speed as 2a and 1a. Okay, if speed is 2a and 1a, so we know that y is what, downstream speed minus upstream speed divided by 2. So y we know it is 3/2, isn't it? So I will substitute here 3/2, which is equal to, downstream is now 2a and upstream is 1a. So 2a plus 1a divided by 2. So 3/2, which is equal to 3a/2. So 3 cancels. Sorry, so it is 2a minus a, this is 3/2. So it is a/2. So 2 cancels, therefore a is equal to 3. So we got a is equal to 3. But what is asked? They are asking at what rate does he swim? So what is x value? This speed of the boat or man is what? It is x. So x value we want. So we know x is what? Downstream speed plus upstream speed divided by 2. So downstream we got how much? Speed. We can substitute here. So s is equal to 2 into a is 3, and upstream, this is downstream, this is upstream. So 1a is nothing but 3, isn't it? So we will get downstream speed as 6 kilometer per hour and upstream speed as 3 kilometer per hour. So it is 6 plus 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 9/2, which is equal to 4.5, or you can say it is 4.5 kilometer per hour. So option B is the answer. Next one. A man can row 6 kilometer per hour in still water. Okay, so x is 6 kilometer per hour. If it takes him twice as long to row up as to row down, there they were giving, in this previous problem they were giving twice as far he can go as he can go against it, isn't it? So that time distance ratio they were giving. So now they are giving us time ratio. Twice he takes twice as long to row so as to row down the river. Okay, that is upstream is to downstream. If he is taking 1 hour to go downstream, he will take 2 hours to go upstream. So this is the time ratio, because he is taking twice as long to row upstream, twice as long than to go downstream. So if downstream is 1, upstream will be 2. Now we know distance is constant, isn't it? Distance is the same, isn't it? Distance is same. So when distance is same, time is nothing but inversely proportional to speed. or you can say speed is inversely proportional to time. So if this is the time ratio, speed ratio will be what? It will be inverse of that. It will be 1:2. So therefore we can use this equation. So let S is equal to 1A for upstream and 2A for downstream. We know X value, so we can take X value here. X is equal to ds plus downstream plus upstream divided by 2, which is equal to ds is 2A plus 1A divided by 2. X is 6, we know. So it is 6 is equal to 3A by 2. 3 ones are 3 twos are, therefore A is equal to 4. A is 4 means what? Downstream will be 2A, means it is be 2 into 4 is 8 km per hour, and upstream speed will be A means what? It is 4 km per hour. Okay. So we got downstream and upstream speed. Now we can calculate the current of the stream would be, they are saying. So current of the stream is what? Y is equal to how much they are asking. So Y is equal to, it is ds minus us. Sorry for the disturbance. 8 minus 4, it is 4 by 2. 1s are 2s are. So it is 2 km per hour. Option B is the answer. So next problem. An ocean current flows at a rate of 1.5 km per hour. Okay, so Y is 1.5 km per hour. A shark can swim in still water at the rate of 4.5 km per hour. So X is 4.5 km per hour. What is average speed for the entire distance? They are saying. What they are asking, average speed is how much for the entire distance travelled if the shark swims from India to Australia and comes back. Now this is India and this is Australia. Okay, the shark is going to from India to Australia and it is coming back from Australia to India. So what is the average speed in this total entire distance they are asking? So we don't know the total distance. So it will go from India to Australia. Let it be distance D. Again from Australia to India it will come. So this also is distance D. So it is covering 2D distance. D plus D is nothing but 2D distance, isn't it? So what is the average speed? So we know what is average speed formula. Average speed is what? It is total distance divided by total time. Okay, we know total distance is 2D, but we don't know what is total time. But we know what is X and Y, isn't it? So we can find out total time. So what is total time? It is time taken to go downstream plus time taken to come upstream. So time is nothing but distance upon speed. So distance is D. So downstream speed is given by what? It is X plus Y plus D, distance is D divided by X minus Y is upstream speed. So D divided by X plus Y is 1.5 plus 4.5 is 6 plus D divided by X minus Y X minus Y. So it is 4.5 minus 1.5 is how much? It is 3. So which is equal to LCM, you can take it as 6. So it is D plus 2D, which is equal to 3D by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are, it is D by 2. So total time is what? D by 2. So we can substitute the values here. Total distance is how much? Going distance D and coming back the same distance, that is D plus D divided by total time is we got it as D by 2. So it is 2D by D by 2. D cancels. So it is 2 into 2, which is equal to 4 km per hour. So average speed is 4 km per hour. Option B is the answer. Next problem. Okay. Ratio of Goodies swimming speed in still water to the speed of river is 7:1. Okay. Ratio of Goodies swimming speed in still water is X is to Y they have given. How much? It is 7:1. She swims 4.2 kilometer up the river in just 14 minutes. So upstream kilometer and upstream time is given. Okay. So speed upstream we can calculate from this. Speed upstream is distance upstream divided by time upstream. Distance is how much? 4.2 divided by time is 14 minutes. 14 by 60 we can take to convert into hours. So it is 42 into 60 divided by 14 into 10, because 4.2 it is nothing but 42 by 10. So it is 10 ones are 10 6 are 7 2s are 7 6 are 2 1s are 2 3s are. So it is 18 kilometer per hour. Speed is 18 kilometer per hour. Now we know that x is to y is given as 7 is to 1. That is nothing but x by y is nothing but 7 by 1. Or I can say therefore x is equal to 7y, isn't it? Now we know that speed upstream is given by x minus y, which is equal to, we got speed is 18 kilometer and speed upstream is equal to 18 kilometer we got. But speed upstream is what? X minus y. So x is what? We know it is 7y minus y is equal to 18. So this is 6y is equal to 18. 1s are 3s are. Therefore y we got it as 3 kilometer per hour. So we got y. So when we got y, we can find out x by substituting in the same equation. So x minus y is 3 equal to 18. So x is equal to 18 plus 3. So x is equal to 21 kilometer per hour. So we got x value also and y value also. Now how much time will Goody take to swim 18.4 kilometer down the river, they are saying. So time downstream is how much is asked. So now time downstream is given by distance downstream plus speed downstream. Now distance downstream is how much? It is given 18.4 kilometer. Now speed downstream we don't know. Speed downstream is given by x plus y. So it is 18.4 divided by x is 3 plus 21. So it is 18.4 divided by 24. So it is, we can say t is equal to, time downstream is given by 184 divided by 24 into 10. So 24 means it is 3s and 23s. So we'll get it as 23 by 30. So it is 23 by 30 hours. Okay, it is 23 by 30 hours it is. But the options are in minutes. So how to convert hour into minute? So it is time downstream is equal to 23 by 30 into 60. So if we want to convert hour into minutes, multiply it with 60. 1s and 2s. So 23 into 2 is 46 minutes. So time to go downstream, how much will take? 46 minutes. Okay. Option C is the answer. Now coming to the last problem. Find the ratio of swimming speed of Raj in still water to speed of river if the ratio of time taken to go 10 km upstream to time taken to go 10 km downstream is 11:5. So what is given? Time taken to go upstream is to time taken to go downstream. Ratio is given as 11:5. From this I can say time taken to go upstream divided by time taken to go downstream is equal to 11/5, isn't it? Now we know time is nothing but distance to go upstream divided by speed of upstream divided by distance downstream divided by speed downstream. Okay. distance is same, so distance cancels, which is equal to 11 by 5. So speed upstream, we know it is x minus y, the whole divided by stream downstream is x plus y, which is equal to 11 by 5. Okay, then when you solve this, it will be x plus y divided by x minus y is equal to 11 by 5. So cross multiply, 5x plus 5y is equal to 11x minus 11y. So see here, find the ratio of swimming speed of Raj in still water, means x still water to the speed of river, x is to y. So they are asking, yes, x is to y ratio. Okay, so it is 5y plus 11y, which is equal to 11x minus 5x. So it is 16y, which is equal to 6x. Therefore 16 by 6 is equal to x by y. So 2 3s are 2 8s are. Therefore x is to y is 8 is to 3 is the ratio between x is to y. Okay, so with this we have come to the end of boats and stream. So almost all types of problems I have solved, and wherever necessary some short tricks also we have discussed. Okay, but in this chapter not much short tricks we can use. The only short trick we can apply is the options method. Okay, other than that, using the formulas we have to solve the problems. Okay, but by practicing you can solve them fast, and you can if you have understood the concept, you can solve very fast. Okay, so hope you have understood all the problems. So with this we complete boats and streams chapter. Thank you.